Yo, what Guan Big Nation Crew? This is your boy Biggs, and I am back again with another video. Hey, listen, man. Listen, man, it's early in the morning. I'm trying to get some energy. I'm trying to get up and at 'em, give y'all that oomph that you need to get you going. But, man, listen, I just decided, like, yo, it's early in the morning. Getting ready to go and hang out with Joy Amor. We had a little bit of change in plans. She was supposed to come my way and we go out to dinner and things like that. But we had some change in plans and things like that. For whatever reasons, I'm going to go and hang out with her today on her side of town. So I said, listen, man, I don't know if I was going to film today, but I'm like, shit. Hey, if I got another opportunity to chill with my people, hang out with my peeps, give them something to chill to, rock with, then hey, that's what I gotta do. So I said, yo, we're gonna do something different today. You guys gonna get ready with me. So I've never done a get ready with me before. So I'm just gonna do it. Like, shit, let's get ready. I already took the shower and stuff like that. I don't think that's supposed to be a part of the video because that's probably gonna be for the OnlyFans, but we ain't ready for that yet. So right now, we fast forward in that part, and now we finna just get ready. So chill, sit back, chill, relax, and yo, get ready with me. I got editing to do, so I got videos that need to be out that should have been out already. So I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna take the laptop with me. So Joy Moore has to actually work today, and I'm going over early, so I'm going to, I figure, you know, we're still spending time together, hanging out, but meanwhile, she's working, I can also be doing some work and getting some editing done. So I'm going to take my, I'm going to take that shiznick with me so that I can be doing some work. So I gotta make sure I got all my cords, make sure I got a charger, make sure I got my phone. But honey, like, has some anxiety with us being apart and things like that, and like, you guys know that I live over in the more central than Joy Amor. So we live like a couple of towns apart. So she lives in the next city. Oh, before my mom passed away, and you know, for the holidays and stuff like that, before COVID and stuff, we used to go and we split our time. So like the day before or the day after of a holiday, we'd separate, and she'd spend that time with her family, and I'd spend that time with my family, or we'd go together. Like me and her would go visit my family on the day before, and then me and her would go and visit her family the day of or the day after, and then typically we'd spend, and if not, we'd spend like the day of the holiday together, just she and I doing what we wanted to do. But that way, kind of like made it to where we, these are vitamins. So, everyday thing, get your vitamins in. I'm a sucker for gummies, and so that's one of the gummy vitamins, not the gummy vitamin, but a real gummy vitamin that everybody can take. I think that one's like for B12 and energy. It's like a multi-supplement. So I take like 3 of those a day. And then I take apple cider vinegar and the goalie. Oh, I shouldn't be. Y'all ain't paying me. Give me some coins, goalie, and then I'll show this to everybody. So I take one of these. I don't know how many of these I take a day. A couple of these a day. Which I used to take a different brand of the apple cider vinegar. That was a lot harsher, but I started trying the goalie. They seem okay. And then these I love now. I know it's probably weird to say like, oh, you're taking a gummy vitamin. That shit don't work. But listen, anytime that I even think that I might be getting sick or getting a cold, yo, I pop a couple of these airbornes and also give them to Honey FWP, and I never have any problem. Like I immediately start getting better. So with COVID and with everything out there, I just believe in taking vitamins and staying fortified, you know, on top of being safe and things like that. It can't hurt you. And then I also take, and then I also take Irish moss. And this is an Irish moss supplement that, and it also has the bladderwrack, which interacts together and allows your body to absorb the Irish moss more efficiently. And that I get from our specific health food store online, because I haven't graduated to where I can take the actual pure or liquid form of the Irish moss, because it's basically like a sludge or like slurry that you take, and it's really weird. But it's basically seaweed, and it comes dry, and then you reconstitute it, and it gets like all gelatinous and gooey. I'm just not there yet. All right, crew, your boy's back, and let's see, what do I got? I got a little, yo, listen, I do not like to sweat before I get where I'm going for no good reason. So we had to dust out. Yeah, they're a little dusty, but that's why I keep them boxed up. So these are 4s. So if you guys know anything about J's, so this is how I keep my sneaks. And I think I've only put them on once. But these are the Jordan 4s. Now these are retro 4s. I think the biggest thing about these were they had like the crimson red on them. And then the elephant print on the side. I don't know. I like these because they were clean. They had a bit of bright color on them. So they had that little bit of color that made them pop. And typically, I haven't always been into Jordans because everybody was into Jordans, and I hate being a part of the clique. Like, I like being kind of like my own thing, but I got one pair of 4s and one pair of J's that I liked, and I had to get them. I got them, and then I've been hooked ever since. The feel, the comfort, and everything with the 4s. Don't play me. No, there's no COVID here. It's just a cough. Listen, man. The feel of them. I love these shoes. I pretty much collect any retro 4s out there. There's only a few that get by me, and that's because they're not sold here locally or in the US.
Somebody in here?
No, nobody's in here. I am filming a Get Ready With Me, but the camera's just on me. Why, you bucket naked?
Yes.
Well, feel free to be as bucket naked as you choose. No one's here. The guy hasn't called me or texted me yet, so
Well, he had gas.
He might be.
Because we gotta go.
Yeah. Yeah. And again, I'm a weirdo about my sneakers. So they're kept pristine in the box. I don't like them being misshaped. Don't judge me, I'm just weird. I'm weird like that. I got a bunch of new pairs that I need to unbox. So once I get my shoe den in order, my shoe corner in order, I will show you guys and probably do an unboxing with you guys so they see my some of my sneaks. That's my thing. Honey has her makeup. I got my sneakers and watches, and that's about it. He sounds like he's here now.
I think that's our neighbor.
Is that the neighbor, you think? Alright guys, so we back again. So yeah, battery went dead on us, but it's all good. I said I'll go ahead and change it now rather than having to change it later. Now we're just waiting for homeboy to get here. We're gonna get a quick freshen up. Going quickly refreshing our lotion. There we go. Dry our face. So, my boy usually is acting up whenever we're getting ready to leave the house because he doesn't like it, but I think he's chilling because he's already had food and water, so otherwise he'd be acting up. And they're black. Thought about switching up the watch today, but we're gonna keep it sporty. All black. It's a nice black on chrome. I don't really have any like super colorful watches. I'm gonna get some. I think that's gonna be my next thing, is to get some polymer watches. And well, my next watch is probably gonna be a wooden watch because I like those wooden joints, but they're like, the one that I want is like $300, and I'm like, man, $300 for a wooden watch, but I guess you're paying for the craftsmanship, and it's green and all this other stuff. I don't know. I don't think it's really any of the things that we get for our likes and not our wants and not our needs, if it's ever really worth it. But I'm gonna get the necessities and then every now and then get a want type guy. But I'm trying to make sure home is taken care of first. We have everything we need first, and then typically I'll let Honey have some of her wants first, and then if there's anything left over, then I'll get a want here and there. But I just think that's how us men should be, you know? You take care of home first, take care of the honey second and foremost, and then if there's anything left over in the pot, then you take care of yourself. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know. I don't know any other way to do it. Hey, come on in.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, what's going on, buddy? How are you?
Yes.
I'm sorry. You know what I thought? I thought I heard someone outside, and then I'm like, well, I don't hear anybody at the doorbell or whatnot. So I left everything so that way we can kind of stay distant. The machine is there on the chair, so you can download
Yes.
your specs and things like that off of it. It should be powered on, should be powered. But I forgot that we have the Ring, and my wife disconnected the doorbell, so I'm like,
Oh, no problem.
all right, crew, what it is, what it do, this your boy back again. Yo, we are on the road, so I am now, it has been a bit, I got on the road, I was already gassed up, so I didn't have to stop for gas. I wanted to stop and get my truck clean, because my truck is atrocious. Like, it looks like I've been straight mudding and green stuff, but it's just that I have trees like right over. We don't have like a carport, or like our driveway is basically open. We only have like a small one-car garage, and my truck doesn't fit in it. So, story of my life. And so the trees basically just dump pollen all over. And so there's just like a thick layer of pollen and dirt on my truck that looks crazy. However, I didn't take time to get it clean because many factors. One, Honey is on my case about, you know, not sweating the small stuff, get to where I need to be so that her anxiety isn't peaked and me being on the road. And then also too, because it gets so dark so early now, and then traffic is, let me tell you, traffic, where the hell are y'all going? Like, where's everybody going? Why the hell are y'all not at like work or at home, where y'all supposed to be, social distancing, quarantining? Like, look at this shit. Like, look at this. And don't judge me how bad my car is dirty. I'm more than sure you're gonna see it. But look at this. Traffic is bumper to bumper. Like, it is packed. I literally took like 30 minutes just to get on the road, because where you basically exit onto the highway was literally bumper to bumper, and took me 30 minutes just to slow crawl into where I could exit and get on the highway. So now I am on my way to L-Town to see Joy Amor. Have some good times, good vibes, and some food that I have been craving for a minute. We just gonna keep it chill. And hopefully it doesn't take forever. But now traffic is finally moving, thank God. So I can move. But yeah, that's where we at, guys. So, man, it was cool. I appreciate you guys, having you guys to be able to get ready with me today. So this is what we're doing. That's the plan for today. We're about to kick it and we're gonna chill.